in Allu Arjun to arrive at police station for grilling any time now. He is to be grilled in the Stampede death case. A while ago, a few moments ago, he had left, in fact, his residence. On the right side of your screen, pictures from his residence. A while ago, when Allu Arjun was spotted with his wife and his child, he is left for the police station. Will be arriving then is to be grilled in connection with the Stampede case that has left one person, one child grievously injured and killed one woman. It's in connection with the Sandhya Theatre Stampede case in which Allu Arjun, the actor of the movie Pushpa 2, the premiere of which was to be held in the Sandhya Theatre, after which the Stampede took place when Allu Arjun had arrived at the theatre to promote his film. Arjun has now left his house for questioning. He will be reaching the Hyderabad police station where he is going to be questioned and grilled by the cops in connection with this matter. Allu Arjun to be questioned in connection with the Stampede case that has led to the death of one person. This matter also, remember, has become completely political, with the Congress government criticizing Allu Arjun heavily and the BRS and the BJP backing him, saying that this is a pure case of political vendetta against the well-known and loved actor Allu Arjun, and that he can't be blamed for the Stampede. The family members of the victim themselves say that Allu Arjun can't be blamed for the Stampede. Monetary relief by way of compensation has also been announced for the victim here by the filmmakers and also by Allu Arjun, who has extended financial support to the family members of the victim. Allu Arjun in these pictures, spotted with his wife and with his daughter, has left for the police station. He is going to be arriving at the Hyderabad police station any time now. He was to make, in fact, an appearance at 11 o'clock, and he, I understand, is on his way. Will be arriving at the police station and will be grilled. Apurva is getting in more details on that story. Joining us at this point in time, Apurva, Allu Arjun is almost about to arrive at the police station for questioning. What more can you tell us?
Well, Sneha, what we are learning is this is the second time that Allu Arjun has been issued notices. Remember when he had been let out on, conditional bail there by Telangana High Court's orders there, the interim bail that he had been given. One of the conditions that was that apart from the 50,000 rupees sureties that he had to provide, there was also one condition which said that he must, go ahead and follow the procedures, whatever the investigation is, and he must, cooperate with the investigation that is currently ongoing. And that's what we are seeing over here today, as Chikkarapalli police had sent notices to Allu Arjun asking him to come in for interrogation. And that's why we're seeing Allu Arjun along with his father there leaving from his residence. His entire persona right now, he seems quite confident and calm and composed as he leaves from his house for the second round of questioning that he has been summoned to at Chikkarapalli police station as well. Be it at his residence or at Chikkarapalli police station, there has been a heavy deployment of police there to ensure that there is no mass gatherings, there is no people, so that the police can go ahead and do what they need to do, that is proceed with the questioning and the interrogation in relation to the Sandhya Theatre case. Remember, a 32-year-old woman, Revati, had lost her life. Her son there, a 9-year-old boy, Shri Tej, he's still battling for his life at a private hospital here in Hyderabad as he's receiving treatment. Allu Arjun, his security team, his producers and his producers and director, the team of Pushpa, basically have said that they will back the family no matter what. They will support them with whatever help they need. Allu Arjun had also personally said that he will be giving the family rupees 25 lakhs. Yesterday, we saw the Maitri movie producers, the producers of the film there, going and visiting the family of the victim there, Revati, and they had gone and issued a check of rupees 50 lakhs to the family as well. So we're seeing help that is coming in from the film fraternity as well for the family. But one thing is that Allu Arjun, time and again, he said that he's a law-abiding citizen, and that's what you can see today here as well. He's been summoned for questioning today. Yesterday, his legal team met with him well into late last night at his residence. They had a sit down, they had a kind of preparation as he was all set to leave for questioning today. And just a couple of minutes back, we saw Allu Arjun and his father, Allu Arvind, leaving from their residence
They've reached the police station.
Their way to Chikkarapalli police station.
Chikkarapalli police station is where they've reached right now. These are pictures live on your screens right now from the police station where he's reached right now for grilling, for questioning. Remember, Allu Arjun was also earlier arrested. He had to spend a night in jail in spite of getting bail, Apurva. This has also led to a big showdown between Allu Arjun and the Revanth Reddy government in Telangana, isn't it? With the BRS and the BJP, Apurva backing the actors, saying that this is nothing but political vendetta.
Well, we are seeing... we are seeing how both the BRS there and the BJP there, they are saying that this is nothing but high-handedness by the Congress government there after he had been picked up. In the manner in which he had picked up, in fact, raised a lot of questions, and that's what the BRS has also stated. And the BRS there is also saying that there are actual real problems that are going on in the state of Telangana. Farmers' suicides that are happening. There's a lot more that is going on. The issues that are being covered up by the Telangana government with bringing up this charge, and that's what the BRS is also standing by. Yesterday, after the vandalism attempt at Allu Arjun's house had taken place on Sunday, the BRS put out a photograph of one of the main accused there, and linking him in the photograph scene of that main accused with Chief Minister of Telangana, Revanth Reddy, and the BRS claimed that he was in fact not only a Congress Karyakarta, but more importantly, one of those accused was a close aide of Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, and that he also was Congress youth president there from none other constituency but that of Korangal, which is Revanth Reddy's constituency there. And these raise a lot of questions. In fact, the BJP there also demanding the way in which Allu Arjun had been handled throughout this entire case. You saw BJP state president there, Kishan Reddy going ahead and demanding as to, the process in which the entire sequence had taken place, and all of these things on one side. If you see on the other side, you see strong statements coming in there from Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy in the assembly sessions on Sunday, wherein he had talked about how there had been a complete lapse of judgment on the part of the Sandhya Theatres management. Apart from Allu Arjun's personal team and security team as well, they had flouted all protocols. They weren't supposed to be there. They had been priorly informed not to come to the theatres for the pre-release show, but that they had violated police permissions and they had come here, is what the Telangana Chief Minister had spoken about in the assembly. And so, it looks like a silent war that is going on between the Telangana police and Allu Arjun. On one side, Allu Arjun holds press meets saying he's not done any fault, he's a law-abiding citizen, and that the police did not inform him. On the other side, we see the Telangana police releasing videos, CCTV footages on social media, wherein it shows Allu Arjun being escorted by the police as he's asked to move from Sandhya Theatres back during the pre-release show of Pushpa 2.